Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this headband using Tunisian lace stitch. So this is how it looks. I'm using drops cotton yarn and a 4.5mm hook. Start with any multiple of 4 and add 2 extra chain. So I'm going to start with 12 plus 2, 14 chains. Slip knot and chain 14 or any multiple of 4 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here I've got 14 chains. If you're doing more than 14 chains, you need to use a Tunisian crochet hook. But I'm doing only 14, so it's fine with the normal one. Now I'm going to start from the second chain from hook. So skip the first one, go into the second one and pull up a loop. So I've got 2 loops into the hook. Now insert into the next, pull up a loop, 3, insert and pull up a loop. So I'm going to go into each of the chain and pull up a loop, and I'm going to have total of 14 loops into my hook. So if you started with, for example, 18 chains, you're going to have 18. If you start with 20, you're going to have 20. So the amount you start with, you're going to have that many loops into the hook. So now I can check if I've got 14 or not. 3, 6, 9, 12, 13 and 14. Yes, I've got 14 on my hook. Now for the next round, I'm going to yarn over and pull through the first the first loop. So pull through first loop. That's it. And now I'm going to go through every 2. So yarn over, pull through 1 and 2, and then yarn over and pull through 1 and 2 at a time. So now yarn over and pull through 2 and pull through 2, pull through 2, and this way you're going to finish this round. For the next round, I'm going to work in the middle of the stitch. So if you check, you pull the stitch and you'll see a little hole in the middle of this front loop and the back loop. The back loop is really small, you can't see it. And I'm going to insert there like this. So you can see. And start with the very first one, insert and pull up a loop, then go into the next, again pull up a loop, and continue. So here I'm in my last one. So if you can see, this is the side of the stitch. So go through these 2 loops at the end like this and pull up a loop. That's it. You should have 14 loops into the hook. And now for this round, which is going to be the repeat one, I'm gonna go through the first loop. So it's like a chain. So I'm going to do 1 and then I'm going to do 2 chains. So yarn over and go 1 and 2. So it's like I've got here 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. and now I'm gonna go through 5 loops. So yarn over and go through 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you see I've gone through 5 loops, and now yarn over and go through 1 loop. It's kind of securing these 5 loops with this chain, and now I'm gonna chain 3. After this securing, you're gonna do 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Now again I'm gonna go through 5 loops. So yarn over and go 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I've gone through 5, and now I'm gonna secure it with a chain. That's it. And now again chain 3. 1, 2, 3. After this chain 3, then again yarn over and go through 5 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and that's it. You're gonna have 2 loops. Now go through 1 to secure this 5 loops, and now go through the last 2. That's it. So you've got this round, and you can see already the lace. So now the next round would be the repeat round. So what I'm going to do, insert the hook first into this space. You can see, so this is a big space. I'm going to insert and pull up a loop, and now I'm going to insert into this one where you secured all these loops. So insert the hook over there and pull up a loop. So I've got 3 loops. After these 3 loops, I'm going to work into this chain 3 in the middle. So we've got 1, 2 and 3. So I'm going to insert the hook into the first chain, going through 2 loops of the chain. So if you check, I'm going through 2 loops and pull up a loop. So now I've got 4. Now go into the next chain, going through 2 loops, pull up a loop, and now into the last chain and pull up a loop. And now I'm going to work again into the middle of these 5 loops, so where you've secured them, and pull up a loop. Now again into the chain 3. So I'm going to insert into the first chain and pull, and then second chain, pull, and the third one, pull, and in the middle, pull, and then you've got 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. So the last 3 I'm gonna do again, pull up a loop, go and pull up a loop, and the very last one, this is the side, you can see, go through the 2 loops and pull up a loop. So you're gonna have 14 loops into the hook again, and I'm gonna repeat the same thing as the last round, which is going to be chain 3. So 1, 2 and 3. Now I'm going through 5 loops, so yarn over and go through 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now chain 1 to secure, and then again chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Now again go through 5 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, secure it, then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Now go through 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, chain 1 to secure, and then you've got last 2 loops and go through last 2, and that's it. And now the last 2 rounds is going to be the repeat round, and I'm going to repeat this over and over again. So I'm going to show you once more, and that's it. So repeat round, insert into the first space, insert where you secured, these 5 loops, insert into the chain 3, starting from the first one, second, third, middle, again chain 3, 1, 2, 4 in the middle of the stitch, and then last 3 chains, 1, 2, and the last one, the side. 14 loops into the hook, and now chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, go through 5 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 1, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, go through 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, chain 1, then chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, then go through 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, chain 1, and go through last 2, and repeat until your desired length. This is how it looks. So now I'll be showing how to end the work. Here we go. This is how it looks. So now I'm going to insert into the first gap and pull up a loop, and now once you've got 2 loops, yarn over and go through these 2. It's like a single crochet, and now go into the next, which is this one, and again pull up a loop. So I've got now 2, and now I'm going to go into this chain 3 one by one and go through 2 loops, pull up a loop, and yarn over and go through this. So 3 single crochet done, and now into the next, and single crochet done, now into the next, single crochet, and into the next. So I'm going to do 1 single crochet into each of the stitches. So you're going to end up with 13 single crochet, and now it's time to fold the work. So once you've finished the work, just get the other end on top of it like this and fold it together, and now it's time to join these 2. So what I'm going to do is use the loop that is closest to you, so this one. So I'm going to avoid that one. So what I'm going to do is insert into the first one. So this is my first. So for the first one, I'm going to insert into both the loops. So this is, and now find the first of the beginning. So here I go, and I'm going to go through both loops in here and do a slip stitch. So go through the loops, that's it, and now continue working. From this side, I'm going to go through 1 loop only, and the other side, both loops. So you can see the stitches when you pull them. So, and slip stitch. Now continue the work. And the last stitch, go through both loops. Instead of one, go through both. And the last is here. It's not very visible, so and slip stitch. Now chain 1 and cut the yarn. This is definitely going to be the back. You can see the stitches, and that's the front. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.